Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is a 2013 Fiat. That's a 500 pop. Yes, pop, P-O-P, pop. So what are we doing today? Uh, it has he has a 97,000 miles, and I have never done a automatic transmission flush or a drain replacement. So that's what I'm doing now because I'm bored. There's nothing to do. I'm off today, tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. I'm off to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And so I've decided to do this before it's too late. And hopefully it's not already too late because it has 75,000 miles. And I bought this car when it had 23,000 miles, and I've owned it since 2017. It's been good to us. He had a little bit issue, but it's been good to us. So this is what we do. I couldn't get the Mopar, but the Mopar is too expensive. It's about like $1,000 per quart, but I got this about $7. And I bought 4 of them. I don't think I will need all 4 of them. So I'm going to use this. Hopefully it works, and it should. Before we do this, it's safety. So I have this vehicle jacked up, high up. So I have it on it's all fours. All fours are up. So the reason I do that is because I need the level. It has to be leveled up a little bit. So this is the best I can do. So you can see here, and then the other side. So I lift it up, and then I put jack stands, on the side. So at least I can get underneath of it. And also when I remove the oil, the fluid, and add, so I can have a little bit of a consistency. So here's the bottom part. You have to remove that to get access to the drain plug. And this is from here, engine. And why we remove this? It's because the plug, you see here. So now we're able to see it. And that's right there. It's on top of the transmission. So you come from here, right here, and then behind the battery, and you go back here, and then down there. This is it. So you will need a long funnel to do it, and also extensions to get to it. So now we are underneath the vehicle, and I will show you where the drain plug is. A fun fact. They tell us this is a seal system. That's why I didn't bother doing it. It's a seal system. But at the same time, there is a fill-in plug, and then there is a drain plug. But it's supposed to be a fill system, a life for life. You're not supposed to change it. But anyway, you come underneath, and there's this bar here, and this bar right here, and then this is the you see that's the engine, for the engine. But on the right side, that's the drain plug. It comes in 2. There's a little bit of there's a small one in the inside, and then there's that big one. So the small one comes out first, and then the big one second. And that's where you do it. And then so on top, that's where the you add to it. And it appears that there is a second one, because first that's the first one, and then here there is one also there. But this one here is more friendly. And so this is how it is in general. So you have to loosen up the this bar and move it to the side. And so you see, like this, you move it to the side so you have access to it. Or if you want, you can also remove it here, but I don't think that you'll get most of the fluid out, or the transmission fluid out. Again, that's the filler plug, and it takes a T55, but it is slanted, and so I'm having problem taking it out. And I thought maybe it was a different size, but I checked. I did a research and I watched a video where the guy on YouTube said it's a T55, but my T55 doesn't actually sit straight, and it doesn't bite it correctly. So therefore there is play, but it is the right size. So, but it just cannot. I just cannot do it. I even went to the auto parts and I bought one. It's a T55 again, but it doesn't have the hole here. But it doesn't matter if it has the hole or not. But it is a star. Just not being able to do it, and I don't want to strip it. So let me try again. This is the third time I've been trying. So there is a proverb that says, "Where there is a will, W-I-L-L, there is a way." Well, I managed to remove it. All I need is a little bit of confidence, knowing that it's because I watched a video. It says it's a T55, and knowing that it's a T55, and so what I did is I managed to get this sitting down there, and then with my other hand, then I hold this down, because you need this swivel, and so I was able to turn it. But again, I think what I did too earlier this morning, I sprayed the WT-40 in it, so that probably helped loosen it up, because this is after all a 2013 and never been removed, and it was torqued by the manufacturer. Okay, let's do the bottom part. So now I'm at the bottom, and remember I told you I moved this. Some people they take this completely out. It's a crossbar underneath, but I just undo one end and then push it to the side. And so there are two of them. So this little one, it's a T40, and the purpose, you will see the purpose of it. The purpose of it, you will see it. But anyway, it's there's a little hole, and in this here, there is a fill. There is a tube, and so if it's overfilled, when I'm filling it, you have this supposed to be there, and then if it's overfull, then it will come out. The excess will come out. But let me take this out. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's someone's coming out, and look how dirty it is. Look how dirty it is. But I will make sure that the same amount, and it's probably tilted. That's why we got so much coming out. But yeah, I will make sure that yeah, the same amount. I put the same amount back. Let me wait until this is drained, then I will remove the big one. Well, I'm surprised this much comes out after removing this tiny plug, and that's the T40, and this one, yeah. So I don't know, maybe it was overfill, or maybe it's because the vehicle is not straight, it's tilted. But anyway, I will measure this and then put the same amount. Now let me go ahead and remove the big plug, and that has that tube. So we are good. It's done throwing up. Now, like I said earlier, there are two drain plug. There's a small one here, and then this that's the main one. This is the main one. That's where all of the stuff come out. But this one here is just a little small one that I removed by curiosity. But the main one is this one here, which is this here. So now you saw when I removed this little one. This little one is in the see how it is here, and to get this out you have to remove this little one, and this little one is it's a T40, and this here I don't this is a different size. I have a Harbor Freight, and so it's a 17. It's a 17. It's a big one. Now either I was doing it, I was going the wrong way, but I was about to damage this one, but at the same time it was very tight. So what I did, I had to use a longer bar to get it out. Now you saw when I removed this little one here, and almost half a quart came out. So that means that either the car is not straight, or from at the manufacturer it was overfilled. Yes, it's possible. We're human beings. They overfilled it, because the purpose of this is once you this is not there, and then you refill it, and when it goes over this line, and it will start going down, and that's when you know it is full. But the fact that when I removed this and it was coming out, that means that it was overfilled. I'm going to do replace them, and you see they have O-rings, and luckily I have O-rings. So I'm going to replace the O-rings of this one, and then the other one for the refill, and then oh, even this little one has a O-ring. And do I have a tiny one? Yes, I do have a tiny one. Many tiny ones. Lucky me. So let me do that, and after that I will put them back, except this little one, and then refill. Well, whether or not it was overfilled at the factory, but I removed at least 3 quarts, like 2.90 quarts. So, but to compensate for what's around the this thing, and also some I drop on the floor, so I will put 3 quarts in there. So, but I haven't put in the small one yet, just to see what's gonna happen. But let me go ahead and put the put it. So now you can see at the bottom I have a small funnel, and then I will use this big one. I've had this for over 25 years, and guess what? It's always useful when I need it. I have a problem here. At 2 quarts, it's already showing filled, and it's dripping out of the hole. But I remove 3 quarts. I don't know. I know. Do I stop, or do I keep on adding? Now what I'm going to do, I will put the fill plug back, the little cover, and then start the car and change gears a little bit and see what will happen. But looks like it was overfilled at the manufacturer. Well, as you can see, it's not in the garage anymore. It's on the side of the road, and I'm going to test drive it. So I managed to change the fluid, and I put 3 quarts. That's what I removed, even though it was start spilling. But that's what happens too when I was removing it, because initially there was too much. But I just go ahead and put back the same amount. So everything should be fine. I'm going to drive it, make sure that it changes gears, and the oil was dirty, of course, 75,000 miles, but it should be fine right now, and let's cross fingers. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something. So I save a lot of money because I think probably $500 from the dealership. Thanks.